how you make actionable plans and strategies, because you said that you are working for last 10 years on one plan and goal.
Founder of Internet Business Trainings. Muhammad Yousaf Saeed.
You cannot say, or if you want to say in one plan, you can one plan is to make money, right? But now that is changing. Money is one part, but the bigger goal is to help others and help the people who really deserve it, right? Now, like recently, I'm working on a different projects where I'm going to create a different business opportunities for the locals to work and meet their expenses, and that will be a helping platform for many of the people, right? So my now as I said before in my different posts, that I started a journey with a mission or with a mindset that I want to earn lots of money. Then it converts into an entrepreneur that I want to help or I want to do something for the people. But now recently what I became is a social entrepreneur, that is thinking for the other and doing those things that can be helpful for the community or for the surrounding or for the people, right? So right now I call myself a social entrepreneur. So what actionable plans and strategies I am doing? First, if you want to ask about the tools, basically I don't use tools. Few months ago I know different tools, but I was not using them, right? Recently I'm using a tool that is named as Xmind, that is for mind mapping. I start listing all my different projects, then I listed the goals, then I listed that how and what steps are required to achieve those goals, right? So simply what you can do is that list down what do you want to achieve. And another thing that is very key element in all this answers, all this question, and will be helping tool or helping concept for you guys, is that please try to analyze where your real success or real happiness is, because with the earnings, with the money, you are going to exchange that for happiness, for buy happiness, right? So if you feel, or if you are in a position, or if you think that $1,000 is enough for you to live a happy life, or is enough for you to be a successful in your own circumstances, then stick with that. Not go beyond that until and unless you have a driving force, not just because of money. Yes, everyone wants to make millions of dollars, but it is not that easy. Try to analyze where your happiness is. If you want, in the start of the question, what gives me, why I'm so persistent, because it gives me happiness to do this thing. It motivates me to create this video to help you guys, right? So this is the motivation factor. If money is only the factor, then I might not be able to do this. I might be doing different other things, right? So money is not the key element. It is one of the element, but it should not be the key element. Try to analyze what is the real happiness you are looking for. It might be exchanged with the money, but how much money? Then you will be at the good position to analyze different things. How you make actionable plans, right? So you simple way to create your actionable plans is list down what is your project, then list down the goals at one side of the paper or wherever you want to do it. List down your business, and at the end list down the goals. In between you need to work around the strategies and the steps you need to do to achieve your goals, right? So simple is write down the different requirements or steps that are compulsory for you to achieve that goal. Like if you want to be a developer, you need to learn the codings, right? If you want to be a marketer, you need to learn the marketing skills and different strategies related to that, right? So simple way is list down your goal, your project, whatever the project you want to do. Then at the end of that paper, list down your goal, and in between start list down the steps. What steps you need to do to achieve that? You need to enter that how much investment it requires for you to achieve that goal. Then you need to list down how much learnings you need to, then you need to list down how much resources for that project to be required. Then go more further deep, for investment, list down further categories, how you are going to raise that fund, either funding, either your job will support it, either you are going to do different other workings, and list down all those points that will help you generate revenue for the project. Then list down learnings from where you are going to get this learning, free learnings, paid learning, joining a mentor and other expert. Then again going to the marketing part, how you are going to do the marketing and so on. So first list down the key elements, then again further categorize those each elements and list down how you are going to achieve that. So you need to go step by step to achieve your goals and strategies. Right? So this is what I'm currently doing. This is helping me a lot, right? And strategies, again, you can follow different. Let's suppose someone asks that how to do a Facebook, or what are the top strategies for doing a Facebook marketing, right? Right. So I was saying that let's suppose someone asks that what are the top strategy for doing Facebook ads. It is different for different. You can go and read many blogs, but it will not be effective for you until and unless you are going to try them, right? So you need to be careful about what strategies you are going to pick for your business. And again, it also depends on your budget and different steps, right? And only action taking, implementation will help you analyze where and what strategies are working for you. I always say take a wise decision, not you can say not about burning all your ships and then start doing the things that will be a risky for most of the people, right? So test those things which those stuffs which you can bear the losses if that will not work for you, right?
Thanks for watching the content. Hopefully you learn from it. Please do update in the comments what have you learned from this content, and let us know that this content is either helping you or not. Thanks, and please do subscribe our channel to support us.